right, welcome back everyone, and I am here at the parking area for the Greenland Creek Falls. I mentioned it in our last video as one that I've really been looking forward to, and I did have enough time this evening, so I'm going to knock it out since I'm up this way. Greenland Creek Falls, it's a 3-mile loop trail, but there are also some side trails and offshoots that can take you to other waterfalls that, of course, it's going to add to your time and to your distance, so you can make that decision when you get here. Things like Max Falls and Pothole Falls, and there's some others, they are notated on your map on all trails, but like I said, you decide whether or not you want to do it. Today I will be doing Max Falls and of course Greenland Creek Falls, and we'll see when we get in there if I add anything else to it. One other thing I will note, the parking area here, it looks really busy, but this is actually the trailhead to multiple different trails. So when you go to, if you're coming to hike Greenland Creek Falls, make sure up here at the split that you go to the left. I didn't initially notice, but the right is a trail. I think it's closer to 7.5 miles. You want to go to the left. That's Greenland Creek Falls, and it'll take you down, like I said, multiple different waterfalls. So I'm going to go ahead and head out, get down to the waterfall. Thank you everybody for coming back, and I will see you guys at the bottom. All right, so my GPS is buzzing like crazy, mad at me because I went off trail, but I wanted to come down just a little further off of the Greenland Creek Falls trail because there's a number of other waterfalls on these areas. This one is Max Falls, M-A-C-S, not Max, but kind of thick. Let me see if I can get through here. GPS just keeps buzzing like crazy. I know. Oh. So there is Max Falls and a little swimming, small little swimming area, wading area. It's not bad. It's a lot smaller than what we're going to go find, but not unhappy with it. All right, let me get down through the brush here. We have arrived at Greenland Creek Falls. get across these rocks so we get a good first initial shot. Hang on. Ooh, ooh. All right, so here is Greenland Creek Falls. Definitely worth it. Oh. Good waterfall to end the day on. And nobody else here. We got it all to ourselves. So you know the drill. I'm gonna throw the pack down, break out the drone, get some better shots. This one was definitely worth the extra drive. All right, so here I am, bottom of Greenland Creek Falls. It was by far the better falls of the day. It's got a nice little hole too, but I don't really feel much like swimming. We gotta wrap it up and get home. I'm gonna be cooking tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off from here. I think I got some pretty nice drone shots for the shorts and for the main video, so look forward to that. And all in all, 2 longer hikes today, but I enjoyed them. Well, I mean, I enjoyed them for now. Still got to hike back out, and it's all uphill. So thank you everybody for showing up, and thank you for sticking with the channel. I will call it quits today, but I have plans to do a few more in the future. Like I said before, as long as there's one person who wants to watch, I'll keep hiking. Everybody, have a great day.